Welcome to a new episode of Shadowing Pills, the only place where you can practice while reading interesting topics. Today's episode is The Secret Benefits of Drinking Water Every Day. Drinking water is one of the simplest and most powerful habits for your health. When you stay hydrated, your body functions more efficiently. Water helps your heart pump blood, keeps your joints flexible, and supports your muscles during the day. But the benefits go beyond your body. Proper hydration improves your focus and memory, making it easier to learn and work. Many people mistake thirst for fatigue, so drinking enough water can actually boost your energy and productivity. Water also has a direct impact on your skin. It helps remove toxins, keeps your skin smooth, and gives you a natural glow without expensive creams. Experts recommend around 8 glasses a day, but listening to your body is key. A good habit is to start your morning with a glass of water and to drink a little before each meal. Such a small action can make a big difference in your daily life. And that was the topic for this shadowing pill. Subscribe and turn on notifications to receive your next shadowing dose. See you next time.